We went to Watsadu today to do some shopping. This is time to get going. If you don't mind, reach down to the bottom there and mash the like and subscribe. Share with your friends, help our channel growth and help in the algorithm. This is the first item that we have purchased today is a 20 volt Hyundai hammer drill. And this particular one comes with two 20 volt batteries in the charger and in a very nice carrying case. UHD 650H BL hammer drill. The one that he shared with us in the store was very strong. I was quite impressed with it. I hadn't heard of the Hyundai coming from the US, but this salesman, his name was Pao, was very helpful with us and was sharing with us how to get discounts whenever we purchased these specific items. So we got to the point where we were able to get, how much discount? 400? We got 400 baht off on these tools that I'm sharing with you right now. And it comes already with a charge. I was surprised in that. Very strong. I bought this particular one because our house we're doing here in Thailand is all concrete walls, and even the fence around the property is all concrete. So there's things I want to mount, and it's going to require this hammer drill to drill into the walls and do the installations. Obviously it's an upgrade from what I originally was going to buy, but this one's quite nice. I think it worked out to about 150 US. So anyhow, I'll be sharing the rest of the tools that we got with you in this as well. Okay, this shows you it's got Allen wrenches, short extension, the Phillips and standard bits with extensions, and also has Torx wrenches and the Hex 3, which is the safety secure so you can't steal. Like license plates should have that type on them so they can't steal your license plate. And it also has a socket set handy that I don't have any sockets or anything here in Thailand. So this is a very good kit that was very reasonably priced, bought today. This is a drill bit set that has wood drill bits, concrete drill bits, and steel drill bits. Countersinking style. Then it also has all the different screwdriver tips with a short extension, and it has the Torx wrenches, about everything you can possibly need, and a little bit there that will countersink. Then in this side over here, you can see the Torx screws. Nice drill bit set for the price. Offset box end wrenches for doing most of the things you may need around the house. These are all metric. We're in Thailand, so do as the Thai do. It's probably everything that we'll ever need. This is an extension screwdriver that's got Phillips and standard screw tip. And I bought it basically because of the extended length to reach inside areas that are deep inside, hard to reach. Seems like a decent product too. I think the tips are hardened. Okay, this is all the items together that we bought today. It was roughly 6,000 baht to get everything. and we got 400 baht off discount for buying this much at one time. So everybody, if you wouldn't mind, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. It doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
Out.